Wagwan is that guy. I'm out here in beautiful Niagara Falls. Uh, I've been doing some work out here the past couple weeks. There was a building that needed assessing on its energy usage, and there was some pretty sad sights in this building, let me tell you. Happy to be out of there finally. And a couple scenarios kind of happened out here I want to talk about in terms of dreadlock related situations. So one thing that I really noticed out here was when I wore my hair out after work, because when I'm at work I wear it up in my tam just because there's a lot of dirt and dust and bugs and sometimes in these buildings that I'm going into, so I always cover it up. But when I'm free from work, I take my hair out, often go to Tim Hortons, get a drink and a muffin. And yesterday, within the span of 5 minutes, 2 people stopped me and said, "Hey, nice dreads," or "Hey, I love your hair. How long have you been growing those for? How long did it take to get them like that?" And my answer is always like 9, almost 10 years, but they would be a lot longer if I never cut them. And people are normally impressed. But I'll often go months without anybody ever complimenting or asking about my hair at all. And then sometimes in a day, I'll get 2, 3, 4 people asking me at the same time. So I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the summer weather right now, but people were very inquisitive about how my hair is when I have it out. So if you're one of those people that wear your hair up or in a hat all the time, I would encourage you to wear it down and free more times than often, because you never know what sort of reactions you're going to get from people. So that's basically just what's been happening with my hair over the past couple days. Just a few people very interested in how long it's been and saying that they really like it. And then on the same note, it's kind of awkward a little bit because people will say like, "Hey, I love your hair," or "I love your dreads." And then in my response, sometimes it's just saying thanks, but they're not really giving a compliment. They're just saying about something. They're just proclaiming something that they love. They're not saying like, "Hey, your dreads look really cool," or "They look really nice on you." They're just saying that they love it. So if I walk around and say like, "I love pizza," everywhere, are people going to expect to say thank you? Like, no, it's kind of a double-edged sword there, if you will. But this is thought. This doesn't mean anything. I mean, I just say thanks anyways. But sometimes when I clue in of what they said, say they say, "Oh, hey, I really love your dreads," and instead of saying thank you, I'll be like, "Oh, what do you really love about them?" I'll try and get something specific about what it is that intrigues them about my hair, instead of just automatically assuming that it's a compliment on my end. I don't know if you guys have ever been in a situation like this at all. Sorry, I'm scratching my legs. I got bit up by some mosquitoes the other day, and they're really reacting right now. But yeah, I'm just here at a beautiful garden here in Niagara Falls. I'll give you guys a shot of the falls in the background. Just enjoying this beautiful last stretch of weather, summer weather, and things have been looking pretty good. So definitely say what up in the comment sections. Let me know that you dropped by. Ask any questions if you like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. One love. Yeah.